Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. Let's continue with the topic conditional formatting for highlighting duplicate values. In Google Sheets, there is an option to remove duplicate values in a range, column or sheets. For this, just take Data menu, Data Cleanup, Remove Duplicates. This will remove duplicate values in a range, column or sheet as per selection. Many of my friends ask me, in Google Sheets there is an option to remove duplicates. Where is the option for highlighting duplicates? As of today, Google Sheets do not have a direct menu option where we can highlight duplicate values. I also thought it must be something difficult to do until I came across the Google Sheets support page for conditional formatting. As you can see, it is clearly written here what to do to highlight duplicate values in a range with conditional formatting. If you are interested in knowing how it works, keep watching till the end of this session. We will also explore other options that we can use to highlight duplicate values in a range. Keep watching. Now, let us try highlighting duplicate values. Select the range to which duplicate values have to be highlighted. Select Format, Conditional Formatting. Now, in the Format rules, select Custom Formula. It is at the last in the drop-down list. In the text box where it is written value of formula, type in COUNTIF function as shown in the example. COUNTIF, range of the data. Make sure the range is made absolute by adding $ in the cell references. Then, comma and the first cell address in the range. Close the brackets and add greater than 1 as condition. Now, you can see the duplicate values in the range are highlighted as per the format we have selected. This works even when the data is distributed in rows or in different columns. Now let us see how this is working. As we had learned in the first session on conditional formatting, the conditional format works only when the condition returns true. Let us put the formula in the sheet and see what is the value we get. First we will try with the COUNTIF function and then we will check greater than 1 condition. You can see wherever the condition came true, the conditional formatting works. You can try this with greater than 2 to find out more than 2 occurrences, greater than 3 for more than 3 occurrences, etc. Now think, you do not want to highlight the first occurrence of the value but want to highlight only from the second occurrence. For this, we will make small changes in the COUNTIF function. First, we will try the formula on the sheet and then copy it to the conditional formatting custom formula so that we can understand the formula clearly. For this, we will use the COUNTIF function in this manner. COUNTIF $f$2 f2, f2. As you can see, I have made the start range as absolute reference with $sign and given the same cell reference as relative reference for the end range. As we copy the formula down, we can see that the end references keep changing since it is a relative reference. The value returned will be 1 for the first time and it will be 2 for the second time and so on. So, when we give the condition as greater than 1, only the cells with value 2 or more will be true. Please try it yourself to understand it better. Now we will see how to highlight a full row when it has duplicate set of values in it. For this, we will be using a function array formula which returns a set of values instead of one value as in normal formulas. We will discuss this function in detail in a later session. Using array formula, we will get the set of values in all the 3 columns and use countif function to check the value in this. Keep watching how I am writing the functions and value returned. Now that you understand the formula, copy and paste this function into the custom formula in conditional formatting and see the result. Make sure to keep the references as absolute and relative as mentioned in the example for desired results. Changing this might result in wrong or unexpected different outputs. Keep practicing with your own data until you understand the concept. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.